I didn't hear any one of you who said Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Why? How many times I mentioned his name? Where is it? How much is going to cost you? Half a breath. Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Right? And what did he told me and you? من نسي الصلاة علي فقد ضل طريقه إلى الجنة. The person who forgot to say Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, he missed his path to Jannah. How many times we miss the path? Make it habits. These needs to become habits. Anything become habits, become very easy. Every time you say Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who respond? He respond. Allah delivered this greeting to him, and he respond. And actually 10 times, Sallallahu Alaihi Ashra. Whoever said send the salah to Rasul Alayhi Salatu Wasalam, Allah will send back 10 times. How miser we are, ya nas.